Good morning everyone, I am Elmer Santor from BSIIT 2-3. So ngayon, i-explain ko kung ano ba o kung paano ba gumagana ang distinct sa ating database. Sabi dito, in SQL, the distinct keyword is used in a select statement to eliminate duplicate rows from the result set. Now when you use the distinct keyword, it instructs the database to return only unique values for the specified columns. Sa taas makikita natin dito yung inline, edit inline. Ito. So yung default niya is select all. Ayan. Yung asterisk stands for all from customer table, near our customer table. This is our customer table. Now if we're going to modify that, we're going to change the asterisk or all to distinct, and then we're going to select the variable from customer table. Like for example, we're going to select the country and then go. So select distinct country from customer table, and then dapat country lang yung makikita dito. Yan, just tama kasi country lang. And then another example is kung gusto natin makita kung ilan ba ang meron sa country na variable from customer table. And then lalagyan lang natin siya ng count, and then i-enclose natin sa parenthesis. And then dapat pala walang space, kasi pag may space, error. And then tatanggalin lang natin yung space. And then ayan, we have 4. And pwede rin natin gawin sa iba pang tables pa nasa loob ng table, sa iba pang nasa loob ng table. Ayun lang, and kung gusto naman natin ma-display ulit lahat, ibabalik lang natin yung all. Select all from customer table. And then, ayan.